Okay, getting to the yard here. I'm gonna get my chains out and binders out. He's moving that little tractor over here, and we're gonna get her boomed down and get it ready to go. It's 7:55 Tuesday. Getting ready to go. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Let's get on the road. We gotta run up by Kansas, drop this tractor off, and then run east hour and pick another one up. Okay, we got her all chained down. The top of it's strapped. I don't even know what this is, what size this is. 6130. 6130M. The bucket. But stay tuned, I gotta get my paperwork and we're gonna get on the road. It's 10 after. Okay, got her punched in. We're about 3 hours and 18 minutes away to Cheney, Kansas. Obviously I'm here refueling at Jacktown. But yeah, we'll be there in about 3.5 hours, so stay tuned. O'Brien Adventure Outdoors and Hotshot. Okay, she seems to be riding pretty good back there. It's a narrow road here. I'm on 105, headed westbound toward Guthrie off 177. Trying to get to I-35 and head north. Yeah, so road's all patched up. No trailers wanting to walk on me. Let's pop these chains real quick before we hop on the interstate. Dude. Sorry for stopping right there. Okay, we're good to go. Let's get on the interstate and head north. Alright, we're kind of clustered up here. This McLean truck can't get around the Mountain Dew truck. Let everybody by over here on this side. So yeah, it's been like this for 4 or 5 miles now. I'm dang near to Stillwater. Okay, rolling in here to Kansas. Coming in here on 177. I'm an hour and 14 minutes. Well, 14 minutes away. Running 177 north. Look at all this old stubble over here they've already. We're about 15 minutes out. Look at all this good cloudiness we have here. There wasn't a cloud one in Oklahoma earlier. Yeah, just out here in Kansas, these big fields everywhere. Stay tuned. We should be to their farm here in a minute. Get this booger unloaded. Still doing good back there. Look at all this corn. Just everywhere, both sides. It's like Farming Simulator 2024 in reality. Just passed a big, nice farm back there. No, there's so much corn. Okay. This is it. He said pull in here by this Quonset hut and we'll unload in front of it. So yeah. Let's get up here and get her unloaded. Oh no. Why they got all this stupid deals down there. I don't know if we should. If we should let them do it or what? Oh. I didn't have the.
It's really quite simple. Only pay.
There. Okay, let's get her to the client here. That air sure feels good. That's all I know. Yeah. Okay, let's get our tail in. Turn our little secret valve here. Run her up. Okay, well, we're about done here. We'll get my invoice to the client, and then get the check. Stay tuned, O'Brien Venture Outdoors. Okay, it's lunchtime. Going down the road. It's 13:20. Headed east here toward Augusta, Kansas. Pick up a little Kubota tractor, throw up here on the trailer, and head her back to the house. Stay tuned, we'll be there in about 50 minutes. Okay, coming through Wichita, Kansas here. I'm on Highway 400 or something. Up here it's 235. Yeah, headed east here. Okay, we got her fired up. Good oak, ready to go. I think we've been by here before, but there's a giant grain bin there. I think we're about to Arkansas City, Kansas, then Newkirk, Oklahoma. Yeah, those tractors still doing good back there. She's nailed down pretty good. Okay, made her back to Oklahoma. Okay, headed to Newkirk and Ponca City, southbound 77. Okay, made her back. That one.